how to fix the YouTube app not working on a smart TV. I'm going to show you a few different fixes, but the first one that I suggest doing is going to be going into your smart TV settings, and you will then go into wireless and networks and just make sure that you are connected to a wireless or Wi-Fi network which has access to the internet. Once you have confirmed this, then we can proceed to the second step, which will be again going into our settings. Now right here we want to go and scroll down until you see the option for update software. So you just want to make sure that your TV is up to the latest version which is available for it. So here, if you click on search for updates, it is then gonna show you any available updates, and you just want to make sure that you have the latest version of your TV software and also of YouTube's. And if that doesn't work, then the very last thing which you can do is to go into general settings. It might be under general settings, and if you scroll all the way down, you should see an option to reinstall your TV. Now it might be located in a different spot for you if you have an LG TV, but if all else fails, like I said, then what I suggest doing is going to be completely reinstalling your TV. So if you just press on that button, and then it's gonna begin setting up your TV from scratch, and then YouTube should work. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.